Hi there, this is Samuel from Stadler Form, and today with me, Simon, our new 3D oscillating fan. In the first part of this video, you will see an unboxing of Simon. Then in the next part, I explain how to assemble your Simon fan. And in the last part, I tell you something about the features. Now, let's jump right in with the unboxing. First of all, remove the screw which is already fixed to the pole. Now you take the base plate and connect the pole to the base plate using this screw. You can use the Allen key which is provided with your Simon. Now just fix the upper part to the pole. You will hear a clicking sound once the parts are successfully connected. Take now the power adapter and connect it to the cable. Your Simon is now ready to be plugged in. Once you've done this, you activate your Simon by pushing the big on-off button. You will hear a beep sound if this is successfully done. Now you can take your remote control and switch your Simon on by pushing the on-off button. When you use the unit for the first time, the motor will first need to align. No worries if it doesn't oscillate right away. This might take a couple of seconds. First of all, I want to show you the remote control. With the remote control, you can control all the functionalities of your Simon. It is magnetic, which means that it just attaches to the pole, which is very convenient because you will never lose your remote control again. Now let me talk about the oscillation or the swing mode. Your Simon comes with a vertical oscillation as well as the horizontal oscillation, and you can even combine both motions together, which results in this very nice 3D oscillation where Simon can move a lot of air even in bigger rooms. And finally, let me move to the 10 speed levels. You can choose a very low speed level where Simon is barely audible, or you can choose the highest speed level where Simon can cover a wind distance of up to 10 meters. That's all I wanted to tell you about Simon. If you still have some questions, just write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you like to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, stay refreshed, and goodbye.